Keep the legs. Good, Ryan. Work on that work on the wrist underneath your neck. Done this before. Good. Keeping the weight down on him, keeping him on his back. Throw some punches. Throw some ground and pound. Watch for that Kimura. See him isolating that arm, he's going for it. Separate the legs. Good. It's alright now. Stay calm, Ryan. See how he took your movement, went with it, rolled into a better position. Take his movement, roll him with it. Alright, stop. Yeah.